Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about phrasal verbs with up. Drink up. To drink until your glass is empty. Eat up. To eat until your plate is empty. Heat up. To warm something until it is hot. Grow up. To become an adult. Clean up. To clean a place until it is extremely clean. Pack up. To pack up until everything is in boxes. Add up. To add a group of numbers until you reach a total sum. Dry up. To become completely dry. Use up. To use all of something that there is nothing left. Heal up. To heal completely and become healthy again. Finish up. To finish a task completely. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update.